Looking in the mirror, who do you see? Someone you love or someone you hide beneath?